Hi, welcome back to school this year. I know this is a little different again, but we're trying to make it as normal as possible. So I'd like to take a little bit of time to introduce myself and let you know what's going on in your child's English class. My name is Megan Shevlin, and I have your child at least once a day, if not even twice. Sometimes I have them for reading and English, some it's just for English. So what can you expect from me as their English teacher? That's the first thing I want to talk about. Well, I am a direct instruction in English where there's a lot of, I show them an example, we do one together, and then I expect them to try one on their own. There will be a lot of pushing of your child to get them to do their best, try their best. I'm very honest with my students. I'm very fair. I try not to overload with work, things like that. And we establish routines. With that, there's very little homework in this class. If there is homework, it will be on Schoology. It will be vocabulary or work they did not finish for the day. Otherwise, they won't get a lot of homework from me. What do I expect of my students? Well, this is pretty standard for them. I want them to come to class prepared and on time. I want them to listen and follow directions. We have some chatters, ones who chat in here, and that's okay because it's all done well. Be respectful to the adults in the room, to your peers, and the property in the classroom. Carry out your responsibilities. Don't worry about what somebody else is doing. Worry about that your child needs to worry about what he or she is doing. Try your best. I want them to try their best at all times. It's okay if you make a mistake, but at least try. And finally, I know for a lot of my students, English is not their favorite class, so I tried to make it fun. I tried to keep it relevant. I might even be a little silly at times, things like that, just to keep them engaged. What do they need in my classroom? One of the big things is a 3-ring binder. What I would like to start doing, we haven't started this yet, but hopefully next week we're going to organize our binders with dividers. This way, it also teaches them organizational skills, so that's my goal. They would need pencils. However, if they don't have a pencil when they walk into class, I have them here. All they have to do is go up and get one off the front table. They're right in front of them. A highlighter, a charged iPad, and colored pencils and glue sticks are optional. I do have them in the classroom, but if you don't want your child sharing, get them their own. Stay with the highlighter, the colored pencils, and the glue stick. I have all of those here. But if you would prefer not to have your child sharing, then please provide them. Some of the things we're doing in 8th grade this year, we're doing grammar. I already did a grammar pretest to see what types of things I have to really cover with them. And I know some of those already. Review of the writing process. We are doing more creative and informational, not the persuasive this year. The first unit we're really going to hit is the elements of short story. I also do poetry with my 8th grade. We do at least one novel. And this year, I'm really trying to get vocabulary back in for them. How do I grade? Well, everything I do is based off of points. So it's a real black and white type of thing. These are the points you earn. Say it's a 15-point assignment, you earn 15, it's 100%, it equals an A. Say it's a 20-point assignment. You got 18 out of 20. That's a 90%, so it would be an A- or a B+. It's things like that. It's very black and white. That's how I do it, so you can always figure out your child's grade. And finally, everything I do is on Powerschool. The grades are not kept up on Schoology, but they are kept up in Powerschool. So you can always look there. I also have some upcoming assignments listed in there typically. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My email address is there. My phone number with the school's phone number along with my extension are there. And last but not least, please know your child is in 8th grade. Have them come talk to me. I'm really not a scary person, so they can come talk to me about anything that they are struggling with. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.